Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Niki. Today on the menu I'm going to be making a vegan pasta bake. It's going to be with mushrooms, aubergines, melinzanes, courgettes, and for the bechamel I'm going to be using a plant-based cream, and to sprinkle on top I'm going to be using fine semolina just for a bit of crunch. And the penes that I'm using are egg-free. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's get started. We have the egg-free penes, Rigani, nutmeg, sweet paprika, allspice, thyme, mushrooms, courgette, melinzanes, onion, tomatoes, the plant-based cream, water, olive oil, fine semolina, salt, garlic, and black pepper. We start off by dicing the onion. Here I'm showing you how I do it. Just be careful of your fingers, please. And now place a pan on low heat and add the olive oil. Add in the diced onion. And I am now chopping the melinzanes. The courgette. By all means, you are welcome to put any vegetable you want: carrots, broccoli, cauliflower. Now the mushrooms. Now I'm adding the spices to the onions. Give it a mix. Add the chopped garlic or crushed garlic. Mix and add in your vegetables. Stir that up. At this point I added in a little bit of water as I noticed the pan drying up. So for the vegetables not to stick, just add a little bit of water. And here I'm adding in the salt and the ground black pepper. Give that a mix. And add in the chopped tomatoes. You can use tin tomato as well. Mix that up. Cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now in another pot, just add in some salt and boil your pasta. I boiled it for 7 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what the vegetable mixture looks like. I remove the lid and cook it for a further 5 minutes without the lid, so it thickens a little bit. Drain the pasta. Drizzle over some olive oil and give it a bit of a toss so that they don't stick, and set it aside. Now in the same pot as I boiled the pasta, I made my bechamel, as I don't have time to wash 3 million pots. So I added in the vegetable cream, the 1 cup water, the 1/4 cup flour, salt, ground black pepper, and ground nutmeg. and whisk away. I was whisking for about 5 minutes and had the pot on medium to high heat, and whisk it until it is thick. I slow it down here so you can see the big bubbles and the consistency of the mixture. As it cools down, it does get thicker. You will see in the next shot, sorry. Here I put 1.5 tablespoons of the bechamel into the pasta, just so that they can stick nicely together in your dish. And now we are assembling. Put 1/3 of the pasta in your dish, and then add in half of the vegetable mixture. And again another 1/3 of the pasta. And the other half of the vegetable mixture. And then on top of that, the last bit of the pasta. And the bechamel, the creamy bechamel, of course. And flatten that out until all the pasta is covered. And lastly, drizzle on top the fine semolina. If you don't mind cheese, you're more than welcome to put Parmesan cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. It's just because I'm making a vegan dish, I chose fine semolina, sorry. And I cooked it at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And I let it cool a little bit. And now we are dishing up. Enjoy. And there you have it, the vegan pasta bake. It was so easy to make, it was divine. The bechamel was so creamy and delicious. I really hope you guys enjoyed making this recipe. If you have any other comments or any questions, please write them down below, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day or awesome night wherever you are. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.